Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fall-inspired art journal page. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, my name is Tanya and today I'm going to be showing you a mixed media art journal page. So I have cut my cardstock down to my usual 8 inches by 6 inches and I am scraping some gesso onto it with a little mini tool. You don't have to use this tool, you can just use an old credit card to scrape some gesso on. I like using something like an old credit card or this little tool to scrape my gesso on because then that way I can get a thin layer of the gesso on in order to prepare my surface to receive some inks onto it. And I've also made some marks and textures into the gesso for some additional texture. Now I am using a mist, one of the metallic mists from Old to New, and I have spritzed it on to my surface and I have also diluted it with some water as well. And I'm moving my paper and swirling it into the ink so that I can pick it up. And in between each swipe, I am drying my art journal page with with a heat tool. And what you will notice is that the my art journal page, I deliberately didn't cover the whole thing with gesso because I wanted the ink to be darker in some places and lighter in some places. So it helps to give it a little bit more visual interest. And here you can see I'm pointing out where you can see the gesso on the surface. You can see some of the marks that I made and some of the texture that I got in the gesso. And I love that gesso holds its shape ever so slightly, but it's not as raised as embossing paste. So it's something different to try as well. So I am die cutting some brown cardstock using the Happy die set and the Linear Alpha solid die set. And I have also used the leaf mix die set and cut out different shapes using several different colored cardstocks. So I have 3 different shades of yellows, oranges, and I've cut out 4 shapes, so I think I have 12 shapes in total. And before I apply stick my leaf shapes down, I am sticking down my letters down to spell out happy fall. So it's, I don't know about you guys, but over here in the UK, the leaves are just starting to turn some beautiful fall autumn colors, the bright yellows, the blazing reds, the happy oranges, and I'm not really much of a winter fall person, but this year I seem to have a bit more of an appreciation for all the beautiful colors, and I was inspired by all the changing scenery outside. So I decided to incorporate that into an art journal page to commemorate how I was feeling at this time of the year. So what I'm doing is I am not sticking all of the leaves down. I'm only putting glue down in the central part of the leaves so that the edges of the leaves just lift a little bit. And as you can see, one of the leaf shapes is actually the inside bit of one of the leaf die cuts that I used. So I'm using as many of the pieces as possible to fill out my art journal page, and I'm creating like a little bit of a wreath like pattern, and I'm layering them so that the matching leaves aren't overlapping too much, and I'm getting a good level of variation on my little paper wreath. If you wanted to, you could cut these leaves out and lots of them while you're sitting down, maybe in front of a TV with your mini blossom and mini blossom die cutting machine, and just cut them out, and then you could pin them down or attach them onto a wreath blank, and you could have your wreath which you can use all year round depending on the colors that you use. So I've also die cut some brown shapes from the same leaf die mix die set, and I have mixed it in, and I've stuck the whole thing down with some clear drying glue. And here is a closer look at my art journal page. It didn't take very long to put together, but I was very happy with how it turned out. I absolutely love these colors. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please do let me know if you would try and maybe make this art journal page or maybe make a wreath. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much. Bye!
Hello there! Did that video just spark your creativity? And do you want more project ideas and inspiration videos too? Well, if you do, please make sure that you subscribe to the Alternate YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you do click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye!